Stop scrolling if you or your parents live in an older home here in Nova Scotia. You need to hear this before the current funding runs out. There is a provincial grant that gives homeowners up to $18,000 to fix safety hazards in their homes, and most people have no idea it exists. We all know the struggle with these older houses. High bathtub rims that are dangerous to step over, and uneven floors that are a constant trip hazard. You want to stay in your home, but the house isn't making it easy. This isn't about luxury. It's about staying safe and independent in the home you love. At Bridgeport Tile, we make getting this help simple. We provide zero stress, zero effort, and $0 out of your pocket. We handle the confusing government paperwork for you, we design your new walk-in shower for total comfort, and we do all the work to make your floors flat and safe again. It is essentially $18,000 of free money to upgrade your home's safety. Don't miss out and let this funding pass you by. Click the link below right now. It takes less than 60 seconds to see if you and your home qualify for the $18,000 grant. Let's get your home safe today.